You're in the cooking oil aisle, trying to do the right thing. The labels are a sea of buzzwords. Heart healthy, pure vegetable oil, cholesterol-free. You grab one and feel pretty good about it. But what if the most important factor for your health isn't printed on the front of that bottle? What if the real story is in how that oil was made? The truth is, the battle between a healthy fat and a not-so-great one is decided long before you ever turn on the stove. Think all cooking oils are the same? Think again. Today we're diving into the great oil debate, cold-pressed versus regular refined oils. By the end, you'll know exactly which oils deserve a spot in your kitchen and which ones are just taking up space. Many surprise, some heart-healthy bottles might not be as healthy as you think. How oil is made, the hidden process. Before we talk about nutrition, let's understand how these oils are actually made. Cold-pressed oils are produced the old-fashioned way. Seeds or nuts are gently pressed at low temperatures, usually under 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius. No chemicals, no bleaching, no deodorizing. The result? An oil that keeps its nutrients, antioxidants, and natural flavor intact. Think of it like fresh squeezed juice, vibrant, alive, and full of the plant's original goodness. Now compare that to refined oils. These go through a high-heat industrial process. Seeds are crushed at high temperatures, treated with chemical solvents to extract every last drop, then degummed, neutralized, bleached, and deodorized. The final product is clear, neutral, and shelf-stable, but stripped of much of its nutritional value. That long shelf life you see on bottles? Convenient for storage, but not exactly nutrient-friendly. So knowing how oils are made, let's see what that really means for your body. Nutritional differences and health impact. Cold-pressed oils keep vitamin E, polyphenols, and antioxidants, compounds that help your body manage inflammation and oxidative stress. That peppery kick in extra virgin olive oil, that's your nutrients working behind the scenes. Refined oils still provide fats, but the protective nutrients are mostly gone. Many are also high in omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6s are essential, but modern diets often overload them without enough anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Many surprise, simply swapping sunflower or soybean oil for cold-pressed olive oil or avocado oil may improve your nutritional balance over time. Think of cold-pressed oils like a bonus package of nutrients with every meal, something you don't get with most supermarket bottles. Now that we know what's inside the bottle, let's tackle a common cooking concern: heat. The smoke point myth. You've probably heard refined oils are safer for high heat cooking. Here's the truth. Refined oils tolerate heat because the delicate nutrients are already gone. Many cold-pressed oils can handle medium to high heat just fine. Coconut, avocado, and light olive oils are perfect for sautéing or stir-frying. Even extra virgin olive oil can be used at stovetop temperatures below 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Commentary: so the smoke point debate isn't about safety, it's about what nutrients survive cooking. Now that we've cleared that up, let's move back to the grocery aisle and see how to make smart choices. Choosing wisely in the supermarket. Here's where most people go wrong. Focusing on flashy claims like heart healthy or pure vegetable oil. Instead, turn the bottle around and look for cold-pressed, expeller-pressed, unrefined. For olive oil, extra virgin. Yes, cold-pressed oils usually cost a bit more and have shorter shelf lives, but that's proof they're less processed, fresher, and more nutrient-rich. Buying smaller bottles keeps the oil fresh and your wallet happy. Plus, it encourages you to actually use it regularly. Many surprise. Taste the difference. You'll notice nuttier, fruitier, richer flavors that refined oils simply can't match. Practical tips for your kitchen. Cold-pressed oils for dressings, dips, or light cooking maximize nutrients and flavor. Medium heat cooking? Go for cold-pressed coconut, avocado, or light olive oils. Baking or neutral flavor needs? Refined oils work well. Balance omega-6 intake with omega-3s from fish, flax, or chia seeds. Small changes like this are easy to implement, don't break the bank, and make a real difference over time. Plus, your meals taste better. Quick tips and hacks. Store oils in cool, dark places to protect nutrients. Avoid letting oils sit open for months. Fresh oil equals better flavor and better nutrition. Rotate oils in your kitchen. Don't rely on just one type. Different oils offer different nutrients and flavors. A simple rotation like olive, avocado, and coconut keeps your cooking healthy and tasty. The great oil debate isn't just about fat, it's about nutrition, flavor, and what actually ends up in your body. Cold-pressed oils give you antioxidants, vitamins, and vibrant taste. Refined oils offer convenience and shelf life. Your choice, cold-pressed when it counts. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Stay informed, make smarter choices in the kitchen, and stay healthy.